How to enable game sharing on Steam. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable game sharing on Steam with your friends. So first of all, just log in into your Steam account on your computer. You want to authorize or enable sharing, and after that just go to setting menu and head to the account and check if this Steam cards is enabled. If not, verify your email address with Steam, and after that just go to family tab and check the authorize library sharing on the computer button, and after that just in the list below the sharing option, check the boxes for accounts you want to share with, and after that just enable the Steam card on your account. If another person uses the same computer to play games, you can see their Steam account's game in your library, and after that just click on the game and select request access to request access. The owner must then open their email to check or tap on the authorization link. You should now have access to the game. You may choose to buy the game too, but it is not necessary if your friend doesn't mind you accessing the library. The family sharing library can work with the user who don't live with you, but there may be a risk because Steam might not be able to provide support. The computer must have a stable internet connection to play shared games. Steam focused this feature to prevent two users from playing one game simultaneously. If both people attempt to launch the same game, something will happen. The library owner has priority access to the game. If the authorized person is still playing, they'll get the message to quit or purchase the game themselves. This rule applies to every game the owner has, even if they want to play another title. So this is how you will be able to enable your sharing on Steam. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.